Okay, so to review, today we looked at voltaic and electrolytic cells. Remember, a voltaic cell is a spontaneous reaction whereby I can use that spontaneous reaction in order to generate all of my electronics. Okay, and what happens is, or the things to remember again, is I'm going to look at the activity series. I'm going to find my two metals. The one that appears higher on the activity series, that one's going to be reduced. The one that's found lower, that one's going to be oxidized. I can run a, because the one that's on the top is being reduced, that one's the cathode. The one on the bottom, that's the oxidized, so that's the anode. Remember, electrons flow from A to C, okay, and that makes sense because if we're being oxidized, we're losing electrons. If we're being reduced, we're gaining electrons, okay. So at the cathode, where reduction occurs, okay, what's going to happen is the ions that are in solution are going to end up being plated up onto our cathode, and on our anode, where oxidization is occurring, that metal is actually going to end up like breaking apart into its ions, and its positive ions will be in solution. So because then of this buildup of either positive or negative charge in the solution, that's why the cell bridge is there in order to even that out. Electrolytic cells, on the other hand, is where we force electrons to go in one way or the other in order to produce in order to plate metals or to purify other metals for us. So electrolytic cells require electricity in order to do this. If you have any other questions, be sure to shoot me an email.